Hey everyone, in this video I just wanted to show you the hammerhead pool vacuum. This is a pretty much brand new account that I started last week. There was just a little bit of leaves in there, and I'm going to show you the deep end in a second. It's pretty massive, but let me get these leaves right now. This particular hammerhead is from 2012. I've done some repairs on it and whatnot, and it's still working really well. The battery's not even in good shape. I mean, it's got good voltage, but it's definitely not like a brand new battery anymore. And so, but yeah, I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm gonna have to go back over this anyways once I hit this big pile, finish what I'm doing here, and then I will show you. Be right back. The hammerhead or any other vacuum, what you're gonna wanna do, I usually just get close to it and just slowly go forward and then pull back, because if not, it's just gonna clog up the bottom. And the bag was just now halfway filled up before I even started doing this. But if you can see, this thing is very powerful. You just have to be careful not to just jump into a pile. I usually just get close like that, and it just starts pulling in leaves. And yeah, so I just kind of get close to it like that, and once the bag is just totally full, I'm going to dump that out and then restart. I'm thinking maybe 3 bags for this real big pile. It may not take that many. It's hard to tell right now. The bag is probably maybe a little less than 3/4 full, but I just put there and just let it sit, and it's going to pull it in, and that way it keeps it from getting clogged. These trees here just went ahead and dumped all their leaves in just 1 week. So, but yeah, so this cleaner is just a workhorse. Before I had that, I was using Leaf Masters, and those work good, but they don't have the suction that these do. All right, well, I'm gonna have to make sure that the bottom of it is not clogged, because it's still possible to clog the bottom, and I'll be right back. Actually, I want to show you one tip here, because I'm pretty sure the bottom is clogged. What I do to try to unclog it, what I'm gonna do is I pull it up, and I'm doing this with one hand, by the way, so I let some air get in it, and then I put it back down. And what'll happen is that a lot of times it'll kind of unclog the bottom. Kind of just, see, I'm seeing some leaves coming through now. That way, because like I said, you pull it out, they're gonna go everywhere if you did it wrong. So I'm actually gonna still vacuum a little bit here before I dump it. Yeah, once it's not actually taking in any more leaves, then you know the bottom's filled up. But yeah, I hope you like this video. I have a couple of other videos in the past where I was actually using these, vacuuming and talking when I had my GoPro mount. Check those out if you haven't.